I feel like that one's like not hype enough.
It is
What should we play? Dude, the ponytail looks sexy. I'm about it. Oh, Crazy in Love. Panini? No, I don't know if that one's good. Run It? Run It was good.
It's already on there.
Shawty Get Loose? Yeah. You look cute. Yeah. No loyalty joke. Ooh. A front row libero only. Verse I wanted to bring up is, well done, good and faithful servant. Because you have been faithful in very little, you should have authority over 10 cities, not just in life, but for every single touch, every single part. I think that just like brings more confidence when you know you're playing as a child of God versus as just like a volleyball player. And play like with the joy of Christ. I'll pray. Vamos. Let's get it started. Don't hit the dunks. Man, it's not the same when we don't have this. Wow, Lex, you haven't been over by here before. Oh, the best part. The people that showed up today. Home opener. Everybody get up off your feet. Is that Gordon approved? I would assume that it would be hard to yell. Oh, the dope boys. Already sweating, haven't even moved. I just thought it feels very dope boy, like busting through a door. I got my little one too. There's glass. Oh, my Lanta. Is this something in sign language?
Water.
I think it is, you're right. Pop. Can we like turn this up? Is this allowed? Does it not seem very quiet to anybody else? Wait, I'm gonna turn it up. Welcome to my house. Okay, you know what we is. I feel like this is just gonna hear me singing like the video. Never mind, go back. I have a good voice though, so it's fine. That was a good one. I feel like I wanna keep this thing like a little fanny pack. I was gonna ask a dumb question. I was gonna ask if this is Jason Derulo. It seems like his vibe. I love when they laugh at then. Okay, check it out. I make big boy noise. They wanna stay up and pray all night, bitch. They hop off and you hop in. Is it man on the floor? Oh, that was a good one. Have you thinking it could be 16? This is Usher, right? Man, I'm parched. Lefty. It's on me. Butter today. Feels like we're in the jungle. Shawty get loose. This is funny because we're getting loose. Ah! Right back. She's a baller too. 4 years varsity, don't forget. Hello, how are you? Don't mind me.